G'day Oz ADV Rider, I'm out with Andy, Mitch and Barry. We're out looking for Acewell mine again on Acewell track now. Yes, the last time we were out looking for the mine, we're in the wrong section. We're on the northern part of Acewell track. It's on the southern part, not far from Chettle Road. Andy found it on a paper map. So let's see if we can find it today. Nice down here. Okay, through the creek. And we'll just stick to the left. Get chewed up. Oh. Look at the hill climb. You can loop around and get to the top of that. Where the guys were having trouble, it's just that tree in the middle of it. When he went around that, that's where he'd lose it. And this right on the left here, that's where he rolled down over and over and over. I think there's a track you can get around to the top of it. Yeah, that hill's way steeper than it looks on the video. Yeah, we'll see if we can get to the top of that. Looks like a little track just here. That one there would be the four-wheel drive bit that you could see, deep ruts. This one will be the other bit. If you saw my looking for Acewell mine track video, you would have seen a young guy stack it up here. He come around that tree there, it's very nasty just there. I can see why. Close. Yeah, you don't realise how rough it is. So he was getting stuck around here.
Yeah, they'd get up to that part, no worries, and that would slow him down.
Yeah, lose all his momentum, then he's got to go over the tree root.
Yeah, they've done well to get up there.
Yeah. The guy in the YZ did it pretty easy, didn't he? There it is, I can see it now. It's in there. Yep, this is it. Okay. See what we can find. Yeah, I should fold these mirrors in. Keep snapping bloody mirrors. I had really cheap mirrors, I've snapped them both pretty quick. So I've gone back to these ones. They were about $60 for the pair. They generally last pretty well. Now I'll have to remember to get an exact location, and I'll try and share it on Google Maps. I tried doing that with another mine this week, and it, I don't know if it worked or not. Okay. What have we got here? Oop. It's not too bad. You can go around if you want, you can go around that. Going through. Alright, Barry's going to try it. Yeah, not too bad. Andy's going around. Which way are you going? I'm going in the water. Oh, what do we got here? That looks like a mine. Oh, look at that. Who found it?
I'm going down it,
Yeah.
Oh, that water stinks.
Yeah, nice. Oh, man. Righto, that's Acewell mine found, done, heading off. You got a pole there, you can see some studs in here and a big cement block, a bit of tin around, you got a gully down there with tin in it. Sent the camera down, hopefully I got some decent footage. I got it snagged up pretty good. That was a bit of a worry. Yeah, very good, happy we found that. There's the gully down the hill here. Probably more stuff to find around here, but yeah, Andy and Barry had a good look around. They didn't see anything too exciting. We're just going through the water again. We've gone through the deeper bit, I think. Yeah, we might just keep this one short. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.